Did you know that what you taste is only a small part of what you actually experience when eating? Most of your taste actually comes from your sense of smell. Our sense of taste is an incredible system that's finely tuned to detect the 5 basic flavors: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. A savory taste often associated with foods like soy sauce and aged cheese. These flavors are sensed by taste buds, which are clusters of taste receptor cells located on our tongues and other areas in our mouths. When these cells come into contact with food, they send signals to the brain, telling it what type of flavor we're experiencing. But here's where it gets fascinating. The perception of flavor involves not just the taste buds, but also our sense of smell and even our sense of touch. This is why food can seem bland when you have a cold. Your nose is blocked, so you're not able to smell the complex aromas that add depth to what you're eating. In fact, up to 80% of what we perceive as flavor comes from our sense of smell, not taste. Why is this so? When you eat, the food releases volatile molecules that travel up the back of your throat into your nasal passages, where they are detected by the olfactory receptors. This combination of taste and smell creates what we experience as flavor. Scientists believe that the brain processes these sensory inputs and mixes them together to create a rich and nuanced taste experience. That's why, when you eat something with a strong aroma, like coffee or chocolate, the flavor seems so much more vibrant and layered. Culture and tradition also play big roles in how we experience taste. For instance, certain flavors like bitterness are often associated with toxicity in the wild, so humans have evolved to be more cautious around bitter foods, which is why bitter vegetables like kale and Brussels sprouts can be off-putting to some people. Meanwhile, sweet flavors signal energy and calories, so our brains are wired to crave them as a natural source of fuel. But here's a quirky cultural twist. The taste buds of different people can vary significantly. Some people have more taste buds than others and are referred to as super tasters. They are often more sensitive to strong flavors, like the bitterness of certain vegetables or the heat of chili peppers. This is due to a higher density of taste buds on their tongues. And then there are non-tasters, who are less sensitive and may find foods that others consider bland to be more palatable. The chemistry behind it all is intricate too. The umami taste, which has been studied a lot in recent years, is caused by compounds like glutamate. This amino acid is found in high levels in foods such as ripe tomatoes, aged cheese, and fermented products. It enhances flavors, which is why umami-rich foods can seem so satisfying. Next time you take a bite of your favorite dish, pause to think about how much more your senses are contributing to the experience than just your taste buds alone. And next time you're making a meal, try to use herbs and spices not just for flavor, but to maximize the aroma and bring out the complex notes in your food. Your brain and your taste buds will thank you.